Hi everyone, and for this video we're looking at finding your group. All right, so when you come into your website, into Brightspace, this is what you see, of course. Click into Tools, click into Groups. You'll see Numbers. Okay, you will either be in 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. You will not see all of these numbers. You'll see just one group number. If you do not see a group number, all right, you don't see anything, or you see all of the numbers, please text me immediately because you may have registered later than I had posted or created the assignment. All right, so please make sure that you see me. I'm sorry, not see me. Obviously, we're not seeing each other, but please contact me, text, email, whatever, to let me know that you are not in a group because you will be working with groups all semester long. All right, thanks so very much. Any questions or any problems, just text me or send me an email. Thanks. Bye bye.